Hello and welcome back to Realm of Fierce. Over the years, new and improved ways of doing cool little designs have come up. In the past, we used Optifine CIT to make custom textures. More modernly, we are now using resource packs with custom model data. So it means that anyone can look at this stuff, even if they don't have mods installed. Pretty cool. That's not what we're talking about today. Today, we are talking about block displays and how I have started to use them in Minecraft. This is not one of them, but we're going to make it one of them. We're going to update this from the original old way of doing it to the new way. So let's do it. Alright, so first of all, how did this one work? And we can see that by going down a little bit. So this is using some not too old technique, but older than block displays certainly, which is we've got a cauldron which has in it and you can actually see that it pokes out the bottom here. We're going to be fixing that today. We've got a cauldron here with some red concrete powder in it, which is in a minecart which has been offset to go up out of the floor into the cauldron. And to make it light up, we've also got some light blocks, which, by the way, this has been retroactively changed too. This used to be glowstone. It is now light blocks. But we don't need any of this now. We're going to keep the campfire because we need that. But we're going to get rid of this. Yeah, let's go for that. Okay, so let us switch over to our browser real quick, shall we? I am not going to be gatekeeping this. The link to this website, which will be a massive help to you, will be in the description. It is by presumably whatever this name is. I am not good at names even in normal English names, let alone different or usernames. So this person at github.io, BD Studio editor. So let's get to work. Let us create so usually you do new and then you go block, and we're going to use the same block as before. So we're going to use red concrete powder. It will give us a block of that. Down on the bottom right hand on the screen here, there is a scale option. And what we're going to do to this is we are going to reduce the height of it, which is the Y value, to 0. Let's do, they're all basically going to be, actually let's make this like 0.6. And then the X, which is like the width in one dimension, so it goes across in width and across the other way in width. We're going to do that to 0.8, and the one at the bottom also to 0.8. So now you can see this is the original block size, and this is the new block size. So we're going to move this over by 2. 0.9 works, but I think 0.8 would still work for your what we're going to use this for. Anyway, 0.9. Let's change it to that. And then we're going to raise this up so that it is going to not be poking out the bottom. And we're going to click export to Minecraft. We're going to copy this, so just click copy. And let's head over back to the game. Okay, we are back in Minecraft now. So we're going to grab ourselves a command block. If you do not have access to an operator utility tab, you just do give your username and then command block. We're going to go over here, place that down there, get ourselves a nice little button, copy what we just had into it, and that's all you got to do. And there it is. So it is squidged the block into a nice little shape for us. And now we just put a little cauldron in. And now in theory, if I've done this right, I am off by 1 pixel. Let's fix that. Okay. So I fixed it by 1 pixel. So all I had to do is literally raise it up by 1. That's fine. Not a problem. So what we're going to do, we're going to do Minecraft kill at entity. This is also how you get rid of block displays if you mess up, which is kill at entity. So at e square bracket type equals block display, distance equals .5. If you want to give this a name, you can do that too with data merge entity, so that you can specify name just to make it easier. But we're just doing any of the block displays within 5 blocks because there's no other block displays within the 5 blocks. So we're going to do that. Going to replace down a boy, and that's better. Look at that. Now it's not poking out the bottom. We don't have to have a light block underground for it to be nice and lit in the same way that everything else is lit. It's lit in the same lighting as the campfire now. It works with shaders, as I will prove. And you can even still hop inside of the cauldron and even crawl around inside of the block. So let's head on over to Untucked Gorge, which is our current build project that we're working on. No spoilers, don't look around, stop looking. Alright, this is the place that I'm working on today, which is a candlestick maker. To which in here, we've got some honey blocks. This is actually a honeycomb with a honeycomb with a honey block in it, so that it has the honeycomb texturing with the honey block overlay on top. It looks pretty good. And again, oh, I need to fix these. Thank you. See, this is why I make YouTube videos. I'll fix these after this video. But look at this. We've got honey block in there. We've made it slightly smaller so there's water still around it. This is just particle effects. And then here we've got candles being hung to dry. And this is their drippings. So we've got some sandstone. And we've got some red terracotta. So it looks like it's dripped wax into the cauldrons. Isn't that a nice little bit of environmental storytelling? Now we find out if I've... Oh, that's so annoying, Maddie. Why do I do this? Alright, welcome back. So I have indeed now, if you look, fixed all of them so that they no longer have the issue of poking out of the bottom, including the ones out here. Which they're back to the way they were, but now they don't have anything poking out of their behinds. There you go. There you go. That it shows something. It shows that even I, who have been doing this for so many years, am still learning and doing trial and error. But that's Minecraft. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, and if you find it useful, and if you're going to use it, consider liking this video. Maybe, I don't know, telling someone about the channel. Subscribing if you can. I appreciate it. Until next time. Bye-bye.